Have you thought of creating your own TV show, but you were unsure how to start such an important project? Many believe that creating a TV show is a high volume operation that only large companies have the luxury of achieving. But in this revolutionary age of technical development, that could not be further from the truth. Let's dive into it. Hi, I'm Sahel from teleprompter.com, and today we're unraveling the magic of creating your own TV show. And guess what? We've got the ultimate tool to make your production seamless and professional. Are you ready to step into the spotlight? Step 1. Define your show's concept. The first step in creating your TV show is to define your concept. Without a clear concept beforehand, you can easily lose focus and end up with no sense of direction. Channels that don't even know themselves are lost from the beginning. Don't forget, preparation is key. Ask yourself, what's the theme? Is it a talk show, a cooking show, a news segment, or a captivating drama? A clear concept makes content planning much easier. You'll know what topics to cover, what kind of guests or experts to invite, and how to structure each episode for maximum impact. A defined concept ensures consistency in tone, style, and messaging. This consistency helps build a strong brand identity for your show and fosters viewer loyalty. Understand your target audience and tailor your content to resonate with them. Step 2. Develop a structured script. A well-crafted script forms the heart of any TV show. Structure your script with engaging hooks, compelling content, and moments of suspense or humor. A structured script helps organize your thoughts and ideas in a logical sequence. It ensures that your content flows smoothly and is easy for both you and your audience to follow. Knowing you have a well-structured script provides a sense of security. You're less likely to feel lost or nervous during your presentation, as the script acts as a safety net. And while improvisation can add authenticity to your show, relying solely on improvisation can lead to inconsistencies, awkward pauses, and off-topic tangents. A script helps strike a balance between prepared content and spontaneous moments. Step 3. Creating engaging visuals. Engaging visuals immediately capture your audience's attention. A striking image or a graphic can entice viewers to keep watching or exploring your content. Visuals complement your spoken or written content, making complex concepts easier to understand. Visual representations can clarify information, making it more accessible to a wider audience. Visuals are processed by the brain more effectively than text alone. They leave a stronger impression on viewers' memory, making your content more memorable and increasing the likelihood that they'll recall it later. Well-chosen visuals can evoke emotions and resonate with your audience on a deeper level. An emotional engagement enhances the impact of your message and creates a lasting impression. Step 4. Use the teleprompter magic. And now, the teleprompter takes center stage. Imagine reading your lines while maintaining eye contact with your viewers. The TeleprompterApp displays your script on screen, allowing you to deliver your lines with confidence, professionalism, and that touch of charisma that captures hearts. You'll be able to deliver your lines effortlessly, maintain your flow, and captivate your audience. Step 5. Perfect the timing and flow. Timing is everything in TV production. With our teleprompter application, you'll seamlessly navigate through your script, ensuring that your content flows smoothly. The app's adjustable speed and pause features give you full control, allowing you to emphasize key points and create captivating suspense. If you are looking for a great teleprompter app, let me recommend one. With our teleprompter app, you can experience the convenience of managing scripts and recording from anywhere, even without internet connection. With its many features such as unlimited script storage, automatic subtitle creation, and customization options, you can boost your performance, align with your workflow, and captivate your audience like never before. As the director of your TV show, you hold the power to create something extraordinary. With Teleprompter application as your trusted companion, you're ready to shine under the spotlight. And don't forget the steps. Define your show's concept, develop a structured script, create engaging visuals, use the teleprompter magic, perfect the timing and flow. Remember, each show you create is a unique masterpiece that reflects your creativity and vision. Now you're ready to embark on your TV journey. You have the essential starting knowledge and the best tool to never mess up your lines. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more inspiring content. Share your thoughts on using the Teleprompter application in your productions in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Until next time, keep creating, keep shining, and keep teleprompting.